I'm Brandon Owens with Heroes USA, and I'm here with Pete Duncanson from ServiceMaster. Pete, can you tell us a little bit about what you do here? I know you've been here for about 40 years.
Yep.
Tell us a little bit about what you do here.
So I'm responsible right now as Vice President of Training, and I've spent my 40-year career in every aspect of the business, from a technician, I've been a business owner, and on the corporate staff for a lot of years in operations and training. Training has always been a big focus, and a lot of ServiceMaster is about helping people develop. So it's not just the position you're in today, but how can we help you move to the next role, and where can you go further? So we're always looking at people's skills and abilities and how we can help them move up to the next role.
And what type of training does a new employee receive with ServiceMaster?
Yeah, our training is very extensive. From our online courses, our in-person courses can be a variety of different things. We have our learning management system, which has introductory courses. It'll have courses on advanced trainings. It will have courses on specific products we use, procedures that we're doing. Our in-person courses can be anywhere from a couple of hours to several weeks. So we have a wide range and variety that we use with all of our people.
Many military members already come with some training that they received in the military that might be beneficial, whether that be with hazardous materials, whether that be on the business side with leadership and or accounting. And we also talked previously about roles such as your branch managers, your construction manager, your project managers. Can you tell us a little bit more about the training for those positions and how that previous military training might tie into that?
Every position that we have within our organization, from a technician, a supervisor, branch managers, accountants, business owners, everything has what we call a learning plan or a track. So there are specific courses that are set up within our learning management system, our online system, as well as in-person courses and on-the-job courses. Some of the trainings that you have that will easily translate any safety, obviously, because everything we're doing is safety. Anything handling chemicals, dealing with storage and moving things around, those types of trainings all translate into every position that we're doing.
And are there roles that you've seen veterans be particularly successful at, or skill sets?
Yeah, absolutely. The project management obviously is a big part of it. Knowing how to handle any type of situation, whether it's in the chemical, whether it's drivers, whether it's just project management in general, being able to adapt to the situation, being able to respond quickly and empathetically to the situation that we're handling, respond without being overwhelmed by the instance too.
Pete, thanks for talking to us today and letting us know how veterans can learn more about ServiceMaster and the training programs.
Absolutely, and thank you for your service, and it's something that we enjoy doing. I love training. I love bringing people in and taking the skills that they already have and further developing them and helping them see their potential and where they could go in the future.